Hello my dear students, here we have a question with us. So the given substrate having two functional groups, one is ketone, other one is ester, upon treating with lithium aluminium hydride, we will be getting B as a major product. Similarly, when we are treating with sodium borohydride, we will be getting C as a major product. So identify B, C from the given four options. Okay. So now listen here. So lithium aluminium hydride, sodium borohydride, both are reducing agents, right? But lithium aluminium is stronger reducing agent than this sodium borohydride. Since it is stronger reducing agent, it will be having more reactivity and less selectivity. Therefore, lithium aluminium hydride can reduce aldehydes, ketones, esters and acid halides. So in the given substrate, we have ester as well as ketone functional group. Both can be reduced to respective alcohol. So this can be converted into alcohol form. This is also can be converted into alcohol form. So just check here, option B will be having ester converted into alcohol and ketone is also converted into alcohol. So the B will be 2 here. So B will be 2. So option 2 will be B here. So then next, let us come here. Sodium borohydride will be having less reactivity, more selectivity. Therefore, it will selectively reduces those electrophilic centers which are having more electron deficiency. So out of these two, we know ketone is more electron deficient. Therefore, sodium borohydride selectively reduces this electron deficient site, that is ketone. So sodium borohydride will reduce aldehyde, ketone, acid halides, but not esters and carboxylic acids. So only ketone group will be getting converted into alcohol, esters remains undisturbed like this. So option 1 will be very suitable answer for this C. So ester is not disturbed but ketone converted into alcohol. I hope the concept is very clear. So if you have any difficulties with reducing agents and oxidizing agents, let me know in the comment box. We will be discussing in the upcoming shorts.